Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I just wanted to show you the completed holiday winter themed bracelet that I had wanted to give for my 100 subscriber giveaway. However, today's Sunday and I think Christmas is Friday, so hopefully I'm at 93 subscribers. Maybe if I can get subscribers, reach 100 subscribers by tonight or tomorrow, this might still arrive in time. There are, winter themed, but there's also some Christmas themed charms in here. So I guess if I reach 100 subscribers after the holidays, or it might be too late, that I can give that person maybe the option of either still selecting this and they can still wear it, of course, during the winter or next year, or perhaps maybe some other, something else that I handmade, I can go ahead and give that person that option. However, I just wanted to go over the charms that I made here. Some are handmade and I made tutorials. Some I just attached as fillers, but here, again, I thought this was cute to have these little tiles here spell out charm so that when you have it on your wrist, those letters will pop up. They are, of course, decorated on each side. So I also made the closure here. So here's a wire closure. And I like to make them not too big, because if they're too big, sometimes, especially with a lot of charms, as your wrist turns, you may get that big space of a closure. So a small one will work fine. And I used, here are the links that I made from the coil that I showed you in the previous tutorial. So I had made these two coils and I used this smaller one here. This is more like an aluminum colored, so I decided to make this particular bracelet with this coil for now. So let's go over the charms. So here's that washi tape charm that I made using the eyelets, and I did do a tutorial on this, and I just put it on wire, made my loops, added a couple of beads but at both ends. This is the Christmas tree made out of paper and then strung with those seed beads. So I did do a tutorial on this one. Here's the wooden bead charm that I did, and again, from top to bottom, strung a couple of red and green seed beads. This is made with the origami paper and the glossy accents, and I did show you a tutorial on how to make this one. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And here is also with the sparkly gold washi tape. Again, a couple of beads put on there. And here is, let's see, here's the first tile with the letter C. And this is that three-dimensional puffy candy cane. And I used a gold leafing pen to finish off all four sides. And then I also attached a pair of mittens. And here is the red washi tape, the shiny red washi tape. Again, just a couple of beads on either end. This, I also did a tutorial on my stamping, and it has Let It Snow. And I filled that in with a black Sharpie, just so that those letters will stand out more. Here's a silver charm in the form of a candy cane. And here's another silver charm in the shape of a Christmas stocking with some presents sticking out. And I did a tutorial on this one on how to make a wire stocking and then wrapped beads within. So if you'd like to see more tutorials on making wire shapes, just let me know. I'd be happy to look into that for you and maybe do a tutorial. Here's the little album that I made, or the little pop-up book, or I guess it's not a pop-up book, but the little book. And I have some yarn here. This actually looks cute. Reminds you of a little Christmas present here, but it has that sticker in here. This side is blank, so if you wanted to add a sentiment or put to or from, or you can always leave it blank, but I thought that would be cute. And here is the H tile with those flat back gemstones. And I do like, let me see, here's the A charm with the snowflake, or maybe it's a sugar cookie, again with the gold leafing pen. And this one I do really like it in person. I mean, just to see all that sparkle from that embossing enamel. And what's nice about these charms is that, you know, you may look at it one day and you see something, and then you look at it another day and you notice something else. So this was made, I do have the tutorial on this one. It was made with the snowflake charm that I added into this bezel after I had melted the embossing enamel in there. And that was using the melt pot. Then here's another Christmas tree. I put 2 of these on here. And then this is the R charm with the hot cocoa, also with the gold leafing pen on all sides. Let's see. This one here with the origami paper, and again the eyelets. And what I like about these here, they remind me of Christmas paper, like Christmas wrapping paper, you know, to have here on your bracelet. This one I didn't do a tutorial. It's a sparkly little white pom-pom that reminds me of Snowball. And I attached a bead here, and I double wrapped my wire here just to give it more security so that it just doesn't slip out. Then we have our M charm, and this was also made in that tutorial, and this is made with paper, and I used silver leafing pen here along the sides of it with that little peppermint candy. This one here, I also did a tutorial. It's on the little glass bottle with the little gemmies in there and the pine cone, little dangling pine cone. This one, I did a tutorial on, again, the embossing enamel, but not this particular one. It's, I have silver and blue embossing enamel on either half, and then I just stuck a little bit of those little diamond gemmies in there. This one also part of that tutorial on stamping. I have nice on one side and naughty on the other. I thought that was really cute to have that double-sided there like that. And I also have this, just a couple of beads. I happen to like, you know, this little clear bead and then this little green pearl. And I just attach a little jingle bell so that when it moves, you know, you have that little jingle there. And of course, you know, if you get this, or, you know, you can always switch around or take off or add more charms if you'd like. This is just a charm that I added. It is some silver bells. Not sure if you can see it there. Yep, there we go. And then this, I also made the tutorial on using a wooden stick and use the glossy accents, added these little diamond gemmies along the side with a little cute little Santa. And this one, I didn't do a tutorial, but it is still with that embossing enamel, and I really love, I think it was called Red Glitter, and it really, in person, I mean, you just have to see how that shines and the depth that you can see in there. And I made this in thinking of a Christmas ornament. So with those little diamond gemmies on top, and then that glittery color there. So yeah, so that's it for this bracelet here. So again, I have that little finding, or a little closure that I made. Oops. And just get that to go in there. There you go. So it's a nice full bracelet, and let me know what you think. Again, just looking to reach that 100 subscriber to do that giveaway. So we are close. Yay. And in the tutorials where I was showing you about the coiling gizmo, I had mentioned some jewelry and beads that you can use to use that. And here, for example, is a bracelet that I made. In fact, I was wearing it one day and a coworker said, "Oh, is that Links of London?" And I said, "No, it's Links of Lavinia," but I'd never heard of Links of London. So I Googled it, and they make some beautiful, silver jewelry, kind of different, but I could see where maybe she thought it was Links of London, and very expensive. So this is an adjustable bracelet that I made. So I have silver and black, so you can see the coils there, how they coil around the black wire. And then as far as for beads, this is different than that bracelet. So you can see the silver and the gold wire. And I attached this to, I had bought this copper cording. It's kind of like plastic, but it's not elastic. So, and then I, closed that up there and attached it to this and secured that there. So if that's something that you would like to see, I'd be more than happy to do a tutorial on, on jewelry making, on, again, sewing. I dabble in quite a few different things. So just let me know what you like and what you'd like to see. And I hope you give this a thumbs up. Let your friends know. Again, we're almost there at the 100 subscriber mark. And I hope everyone is doing well, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Again, I hope you enjoy this, and have a good night. Take care. Bye.